Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about telling stories through watercolor. When people look at a painting, they often ask, what is the story behind it? This question reminds us that art is more than colors and technique. A good painting does not only show a scene, it shares an experience, an emotion, or a memory. Watercolor is a wonderful medium for storytelling because it is expressive, transparent, and full of unexpected effect. The flow of water, the softness of edge, and the freshness of each brushstroke can help us communicate feelings in a unique way. A story in watercolor does not need to be complicated. Sometimes a simple subject can tell a meaningful story. For example, an old wooden door may speak about history and tradition. A quiet village road can remind us of childhood memories. A small boat on a lake may suggest a feeling of peace. Even a cup of tea near a window can tell a story about comfort and everyday life. As artists, our job is not only to paint what we see, our job is to paint what we feel. Before starting a painting, it is helpful to ask a few questions. What attracted me to this subject? What emotion do I want to share? What do I want viewers to remember after they see my painting? The answer to these questions can guide our artistic choice. Colors play an important role in storytelling. Warm colors such as yellow, orange, and red can create feelings of joy, energy, or warmth. Cool colors like blue and gray can suggest calmness, distance, or mystery. Light is another powerful storytelling tool. Soft morning light can create hope and freshness. Golden evening light can bring a sense of peace. Strong shadows can add drama and depth. Composition also help tell a story. We do not need to paint every detail. By simplifying the scene and focusing on the most important elements, we can guide the viewer attention. Sometimes what we leave out is just as important as what we include. In watercolor, white space can create atmosphere and allow the viewer imagination to become part of the story. People in a painting can also add meaning. A single figure walking on a path may suggest a journey. Children playing in the rain may remind us of happiness and freedom. A person sitting quietly by a window may express reflection or loneliness. However, not every story needs human figures. Nature can tell stories as well. Mountains can represent strength, rivers can symbolize movement and change, trees can reflect the passing of season and time. Our personal experience often creates the strongest painting. The place we visit and the moments that touch our heart become meaningful stories when we paint them. As watercolor artists, we have the opportunity to preserve these moments and share them with others. Every viewer may understand a painting differently, and that is one of the beautiful things about art. A single painting can create many different stories in the mind of different people. There is no right or wrong. The goal is not to explain everything. The goal is to create enough emotion and atmosphere for viewers to connect with the painting in their own way. So, the next time you begin a watercolor painting, do not ask only, what should I paint? Instead, ask yourself, what story do I want to tell? Because in the end, people may forget the exact colors we used or the technique we followed, but they will remember how our painting made them feel. Thank you so much and happy painting.